Good day to my future employer here in Hong Kong. I'm Leah. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I have one son, 14 years old. I got graduate 2 years course nursing aid. I am willing to taking care of pets because I'm a pet lover. And if I taking care of child, I will love them, take care of them, give them food, and then play with them. And if elderly I taking care of, I also love them, treat them like my parents, grandmother or grandfather. I talk to them with a nice way and calm. To my future employer, I will always listen carefully and follow your instruction. I'm also honest and hardworking, trustworthy inside and outside your house. I promise I will finish my contract with you and your family and sign more contract with you in the future. Thank you and God bless you.